Find the profit or loss. First one, cost price is equals to rupees 144. Selling price is equals to rupees 168. Solution. So first one, cost price is equals to rupees 144 SP. Selling price is equals to rupees 168 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ it is profit. So profit formula is equals to selling price minus cost price is equals to selling price is 168 minus cost price is 144 is equals to 168 minus 144 is rupees 24. So 24 is the profit. Cost price is equals to rupees 172. Selling price rupees 156. So solution, it is loss. Solution. So loss andre loss is equals to loss formula cost price minus selling price is equals to cost price is 172 minus selling price is 156. So 172 minus 156 is rupees 16. So rupees 16 is the loss. Thank you.